Here we have a lighted display with a sample of our control arms. What we did is we actually partnered with Quake LED. They make fully ready to be put in kits that are already cut to length. All the light strips are 3M double-sided tape, so all you have to do is take the faceplate off. They tape to the very top. Wires come out of a little notch here. With these LEDs that are not the traditional RGB, RGBW, these are the new HDX. You can actually get true color on the app or on the controller. There's over almost 200 different variations and preset ways to do different color configurations, as in like a snake, flash, stars, solid colors, anything you want to go with. The lighting capability is infinite.